G sharp. Oi, there she goes. As brand new banjo players, when you first get your instrument, you get it tuned up, you are told from day one to get it into what's known as standard open G. It sounds like this. That's G, D, G, B, D. Right out of the box, it plays a G chord, and it is super versatile. You know, using this tuning, you can play pretty much anything. Are you going to stop over? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. You know, you can play some shit-kicking music as well. I'm riding on that new river train. It's the same old train that brought me here, won't carry me home again. So yeah, it's a super versatile tuning. You can pretty much play anything in it. But you know, the banjo has been around for, you know, centuries, 200 years more. And it's no wonder that different cultures around America have learned to play the banjo in different styles and different tunings. And one of the most popular tunings for that real old-timey sound is called sawmill tuning. And to get to sawmill tuning, it's fairly easy. All you need to do is just take your B string and tighten it up from B to C. Now the string itself, it's already tight, and there is a risk, a very small risk, but there is a risk that tightening that B string up could snap it. Now, that's a B, let's tighten up to a C without snapping it, hopefully. So yeah, the sawmill tuning gives you a lovely melancholic sound. You know, you can play different songs in this different tuning, like Shady Grove. Shady Grove, my little love, Shady Grove, I say. Shady Grove, my little love, I'm bound to go away. But yeah, I can understand people's hesitation and apprehension of getting from open G to sawmill. So what I thought I'd do in this video today is show you how much tolerance and how much your string will go before it snaps. And there are all different factors, you know, that will contribute to breaking your strings. Obviously string gauge, whether they are light or tight gauge strings, and sometimes you might have burring on your tailpiece or on your bridge or on your nut up here that could catch the strings and cause it to break. But today these strings are a couple of months old, so they're due for replacing anyway. I thought just for a bit of fun we'll see how far we can go before I snap my banjo string. So that's a B. Let's tune it to sawmill. So now we're in sawmill tuning. Let's keep going. C sharp. That's a C sharp. Let's keep going. D. D sharp. It sounds like it's ready for going. E. F. F sharp. We're all the way to G. It's got some strength in the string. Right, so that's G. G sharp. Oi, there she goes. So you're safe all the way up to the G sharp. God, my heart's beating like mad. Where's it gone? I need to find that. Right, we're up to G sharp. So don't worry about getting yourself into sawmill tuning. You've got a long way to go before your banjo string breaks. And any of the songs that I've played today are available as tab on my website, banjoadventures.com/tabs. And I'll see you on the next video. Good luck in sawmill.